Right chaps, details. Interior is lovely. Worst bit on the whole car, to be honest, is this door shut, and you can see there's a few chips on there. Apart from the one or two on the service bonnet, that's pretty much it. Bolster's remarkably good considering the mileage. Right, engine bay. So, where to start? Heat wrapped airbox. All the coolant hoses are silicone. All the oil hoses are the upgraded braided ones. Upgraded radiator. Pretty much everything has been replaced. There's the fancy manifolds. I think the only thing on this car that hasn't been done is the steering rack. I think the last owner spent the best part of £50,000 during his ownership at Power. Not because anything was actually broken, just on upgrades and improvements. See the top chassis rails there, it's lovely. Passenger seat is exceptional. The carpets aren't faded at all, they are completely black, but this due to this bright sunlight they're showing up slightly lighter on the camera, but they are not faded at all. All four wheels are perfect. Goodyear Eagles are nearly new.